Sharika Jackson ran a scintillating anchor leg, clocking the fastest split, but ran out of track as Jamaica copped silver here in Eugene in the women's 4x100 meters relay on Saturday. Kemba Nelson got things going for the Jamaicans before handing off to 100-meter bronze medalist Elaine Thompson-Hero, who then handed over to 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. The United States won in 41.14 seconds. Jamaica clocked 41.18 seconds.
Happy, I'm walking out with 2 medals, I'm just going back to the drawing board, complete the season. I'm happy to walk away with 2 medals, of course.
Yeah, I'm feeling good. I think as a team we went out there and the goal is always to, get the gold medal, but, we fell short, but I think our ladies ran well. Because at the end of the day, we didn't put any medals out here. We have to come and we have to execute and we have to get the stick around. And I'm glad that we're able to still stand on the podium. Shout out first to actually Kemba, who is the new addition on the team. And as always, you have to give, everybody has to have their chance and their moment. And we have to go out there and we have to do what we have to do.
I felt pretty good out there. I wanted to get there, but unfortunately tonight we were second. And as a team, we are grateful for the silver medal because we couldn't have gotten any, but we got silver tonight, so we are grateful.
Grateful, blessed. I did my best on that first leg. I feel like my goal was to try and get the person in front of me, and I did a fairly good job at that. And the pass was safe, even though it could have been better. But happy nonetheless. A silver medal, I can't be sad.
Jamaica's men's team finished one place off the podium, clocking 38.06 seconds. Akeem Blake led Jamaica's team off before handing over to Johan Blake, who passed to Oblique Seville with Jelani Walker on anchor.
I could say it could have been better, but knowing the team is very new, we just need more practice going into the future. The future is still bright for Jamaica. The young ones are coming up, Oblique, Akeem, Jelani, Conroy. They look pretty good going into next year. So the chemistry, we just need to gel more and just and work together as a team, and it should be good.
It wasn't that bad because even though the exchange wasn't that good, but it's glad that we are actually injury-free, and it's a good run and can't complain about it. We have to just give God thanks that we are injury-free.
Overall performance was pretty good. I think the rest of the teams kind of got away slightly from us. I didn't think anybody ran their leg particularly bad. We all came out here and did our best, and it's just we didn't get a medal, and we can't be upset about that. I mean, we are, but they can't be upset about that.
Earlier, Jamaica's men's and women's 4x400 meter relay teams made progress to the final. The women's quartet of Stacey Ann Williams, Janelle Bromfield, Tiffany James Rose and Cherokee Young easily won their semi-final in 3 minutes 24.23 seconds to progress to Sunday's final.
Well, I'm pretty happy with my performance and my team performance. When I got the button, I just wanted to be in front because I know that I have an amazing team and I know that they will finish the job well.
The men's team, which was led off by Akeem Bloomfield with Javon Powell on the second leg, followed by Kareem Bartley and Anthony Cox, finished third in their semi-final to make automatic progress to Sunday's decider in 3 minutes 01.59 seconds.
I just tried to, put the team in as best as a position, possible as I, could do. I think the split was about 45-3, so, a good flush out the legs, and I think we have a, good chance at medaling. So just to come back, I think we made the final, so it's just to come back and perform again.
Earlier, Shanice Porter ended 11th in the women's long jump qualification with a best effort of 6.29 meters. Reporting from Hayward Field in Eugene, Oregon, site of the 2022 World Athletics Championships, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.